Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring the Solo3 has enough charge. Low battery can disable noise control. Once charged above about 20%, press and hold the power button on the left ear cup for 1 to 2 seconds to power on. Make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is enabled and in pairing or ready mode so the headphones can communicate. You do this first because establishing power and a live Bluetooth connection prevents later pairing conflicts and lets noise cancellation engage properly. After powering on, open your device's Bluetooth menu and select Beats Solo3. You'll see a confirmation tone or LED change when connected. Once paired, locate the noise cancelling or multifunction button on Solo3 models, holding the power/NC control toggle's active noise cancellation. Press and hold until you hear the ANC prompt or notice reduced ambient sound. This engages the internal microphones and processing that actively reduce background noise. You finish by confirming audio playback and that background noise is noticeably reduced. If it isn't, try toggling ANC off and on again to reset the processing. Make sure your source device's volume and EQ aren't masking the effect, and check for firmware updates through the Beats or device app, since updates can fix ANC behavior. If ANC still fails, restart the Solo3, unpair and repair, and finally perform a factory reset. These steps clear glitches that commonly block noise cancellation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.